Okay, so based on this graph, okay, this is the question, right? This is the question, this is the part, isn't it? Two parts, isn't it? Okay, so based on the graph here, you already can see that the probability of, okay, why is it too thick? Supposed to be 3. Okay, so if you can see the binomial distribution here, for this part, x equals to 0, we can get is 27 over 343. Okay. Then of course, for the next one, x equals to 1, we can get is 64 over 343. And of course, we have, hey, wait, not 1, not 1, it's 3. Here 3, okay. So of course, the next two, okay, let me change the color. We have the probability of x is equals to 1, which is equals to 1 is equals to a, and a probability of x is equals to 2, which is equals to b. So based on that, they're asking you the statement here. Okay, express this in terms of a and b, and of course second part, find the value of p. Okay, so how do you want to express this term here in a and b? This is part 1. Let me change color. So for part 1 here, you have probability of x is equals to 0 plus with probability of x is more than 2. So that means based on what we have learned is probability of x equals to 0 plus probability of x is equals to 3, correct? So this one in terms of a and b meaning is 1 minus these 2, isn't it? So, wait. Okay, no. Logically, you think and see. I'm getting is 1, 0, and this. If 1 minus these 2 is equals to a plus b, but I want these 2. Okay, so that means it's digitally just 1. Is I think the answer should be 1 minus a minus b. Is that the answer?
The final answer.
Ah.
Yeah, the answer is 1 minus a.
So you understand how I got it or not?
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you this. Okay, I think this is directly cannot. I think it's like this, is 1 minus probability of x equals to 1 minus probability of x equals to 2. Now you get it?
Oh, okay.
So it's minus a minus b. Okay. So now how to find the value of p here?
Use the formula.
I think use these two, isn't it? Because the value of p there stands for what? The p is the success rate, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so based on these two equations only you can find. So how many you choose? So we have n is equals to, wait, let me just write here in a different color, purple. Okay, so for number 2, right? So for number 2 here, we have x is a binomial for 3 and p, where you know n is equals to 3. Okay, r is given, these two. So let's look at one by one. Okay, so we want to find P here. Okay, so N is equals to this. Okay, so when we look at the first statement, okay, x equals to 0, x equals to 0, what we get from here is NCR, so 3C0 P power, oh god, sorry, P power 0, then Q power 3 minus 0, 3. Okay, so this is the first statement and this is equals to 27 over 343. And then we have another one, x is equals to 3, where we get is, yeah, okay, where we get, oh my god, why am I having a brain situation? C3, here P power 3, Q power 0. And this whole thing is equals to 64 over 343. Okay. I mean, can you see a simultaneous equation kind of forming?
Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
Okay, so it's kind of like a simultaneous. Oh my god, why can't I get a straight line? Yeah, okay, cantik. Okay, so what we are seeing is kind of like a simultaneous going on. So let's try to play with this. Okay, so here 3C0, we get what? We get 1. So P power 0 is 1. So it's Q power 3. So when we know Q is 1 minus P, right? So 1 minus P power 3 is equals to 27 over 343. Oh, wait. I think we don't even have to do anything. So 1 minus P is equals to cube root of 27 over 343.
3 over 7.
Yep, 3 over 7. So if I switch places, P is equals to 1 minus 3 over 7, which is literally just 4 over 7. Done. So we don't even need to do this. This is unnecessary. This part here is not even needed. Sorry? Nada. So you understand, I got my value of P here. Can I? Okay, so let me save this.